Hello friend, now in the previous tutorial we have just design form has been created. Now we have to change the name in the coding behind. So all the customer deposits you have to change to distributor, and the spelling, just first of all close this application, and here you can see distributor deposit TBL. So just change name to the distributor. Now just find the customer name wherever it is. Okay, so we have to change this name to distributor name. I think we have changed this name to, no, we haven't changed this name. Change name to distributor, and we don't need this now. First of all, we'll focus on the SQL coding. Okay, just change name to this one and this one. Okay, just change name this one also, and this one. I'm doing this for time saving. You should have to do complete from uh, from the beginning of the button. Okay, now just after view, select some distributor, deposit where, deposit date. Okay, deposit date. Okay. And second option of saving, of view. Okay, function sale. Your function sale should not be there. It should be purchase, because we are purchasing from. Change name to from because we are purchasing from the distributor, and also you have to change the customer to distributor. Here it is. Just name CV customer to distributor, DISTRIBUT, or distributor. Okay, just save it. Okay, now just click whether we have changed the, okay, distributor. Now try to run and check it. Enter the name and password. Okay, distributor. First of all, close this one because it is mutually open, otherwise we will create an error. Okay, select the name. I'll select Nadeem Khan. Okay, purchase amount is not existing. Total amount, no. Okay, first we have to purchase from that person. New purchase. I'm selecting Zubair Sheikh. View. Okay, sorry, we don't have to use view. First we have to purchase from that distributor, and then we will deposit from his account. on purchase, and I'll switch. I'll purchase Dell mouse, quantity 100, rate 350. Okay, in, and now save. Okay, now the total amount is 3,000 or 35,000. Okay, just close it. Now go to the distributor and select switch view. Okay, let's check whether we have saved or not. Purchase amount, here it is. It has been there, but purchase invoice. Okay, let's check purchase invoice. Okay, here it is done. So the main problem is after clicking view, the purchase amount and deposit amount is not highlighting. So first of all, we'll put a breakpoint over there. Here it is, and now just click on that. Okay, okay, let's check why it is not showing. Okay, so the problem is okay, it is not highlighting. Why it is, I think so. Just stop it. Okay, so the form, it is click to design and click on the view. Here it is. Sorry, actually I've opened purchase form. Okay, enter the username and password. Now select distributor. Okay, it is for opening, it is for purchase total amount. This is not showing. Distributor name, okay, here it is not distributor name, actually here it is name. In the purchase it is a vendor name. The vendor distributor are same name. Change it to here, meaning actually same vendor. And also check deposit. In deposit name also change to distribute vendor. Vendor. Distributor name in distributor deposit. Okay, here it is. Here it is. Okay, just press continue. Okay, let's check what's the problem. Vendor name, now what's the problem? in the sale, sorry, actually it should be purchase table. Here it is. Okay, just continue. Okay, the amount has came. Now in the next, okay, deposit, it should return 0. Skip that. We want deposit total, so press F11. Now we have to check distributor deposit TBL. Distributor deposit TBL. Okay. Okay, what Microsoft does, it cannot find the input table or distributor. DISTRBUTR. Okay, I think the spelling. Just copy and paste it, the paste method. Now once again, okay, okay, before its opening amount is 4,000 and now 20. Okay, so the total is something 5,903, 59,009 something there is. Okay, just I'm entering 4,000 cash giving to the distributor. Could not find. Okay, just failing. I think we have just input wrong. So just go ahead to the save. Here it is. Just try to save it and paste it. Okay, the spelling here is distributor. Okay, we have done very lot mistake in here. Distributor in the table distributor. It is the internal problem. Okay, now here it is problem, it is not showing here. Let's check here it has been saved or not. Yes, so why it is not showing, go ahead and check it. I think so. Here it is, view button. Here is actually it is, the spelling is DE. It is a silly mistake. You have to be very careful, otherwise it will create okay. Now again I will try. Okay, now we don't need any breakpoint, just go ahead breakpoint and disable all. I will put 400 and just save it. Okay, after saving it should refresh it. Now I am going to delete this one, Akash Agrawal. Okay, could not find distributor. Okay, the spelling problem it is giving, where it is delete. Just do it. Okay, now let's check it. Okay, now it is the code operation has successfully done. We delete, view, save, and now the final part is remaining, that is of ledger. In that we will generate a report, single report, in which opening amount, deposit amount, money, customer deposit, distributor deposit, everything we have to put in a single report. First time for that, thanks for watching.